Welcome back, everybody. This is Bear's Rod Shop. This is July the 17th here in Texas, and today we have been on this a couple of days, getting the Jubilee brake hub off. Had to actually go in, cut the backer dust cover large enough I could get inside and cut the adjuster off. This thing is in really nasty shape. I'll give you a little sneak preview here of where we're at. And yeah, the shoes were definitely stuck, disintegrated, come off the bottom, and hopefully you can get a good picture. The bearing is definitely seized. This is the 1953 Golden Jubilee we picked up, and we're getting ready to make a trade. Try to get it freed up so it gets on the trailer for like a 84, really pretty nice clean little S10 Blazer. It's got the V6 in it. It's two-wheel drive. Gonna make a nice little driver for when my grandson Hunter hopefully gets up for driver's license in a couple of years. We may just turn it over to him. But today we anticipate it's going to be about 100. We do have the big awning up today. Got a lot of friendly red wasp working with us. Got to kind of keep your ball cap close to you so you can swat them. We killed off 2 or 3 nests underneath the hood on Monday and Tuesday. But want to try to get you back up a few more videos as we progress on this old Jubilee. Even though we decided not to keep it, we have way too many projects, and that CJ right over there behind me and that where the lift is, it's got to get back on track, get finished so we can enjoy it and possibly sell it. But you guys please thumbs up, keep subscribing. Thanks to all my subscribers and new ones, and as we try to grow, we'll try to improve, of course, on the videos. But I won't take you up with a lot of details today. Let me see if we can anyhow, we won't bother showing all the tear down of this, because I am going to have to go get another puller a lot larger than the one I have, and so that'll take up half the morning running over and picking up another puller at Northern Tools. So anyhow, again, appreciate it. And Matt over at Metal Shaper, and you and Brian and Maria, best to y'all, and hope y'all are staying cool there on the East Coast. Been awful hot and stifling. Our neighbors that we used to be in Ohio or down in Florida says it's just miserable. Even down there in St. John's, he said just not hardly any breeze blowing. So we'll all get through this old hot summer. Yeah, we always do. So come back please and subscribe. Thank you.